Why are they so interesting, and what sort of things have you been finding out about algae and what they can sort of be used for?
Yes, yes, of course. Let me tell you about that. Yeah, actually, now that you mention it, Neil, that's how we started in the world of algae. Also, thinking it was pollution to our tank. We were developing early stages of algae. We were developing a lot of stuff regarding specifically aquaponics and like this synergy that fish and plants get together in order to have a synergy that can grow plants with the fish in the circular system. And we were developing that, and we started getting algae in the tubes, in the PVC pipes that we had the plants on. And we were like, okay, we need to get rid of those because they're eating the food of the plants. And we were having problems with them. And that's where we really started like looking into algae and all the benefits that it has and what it can do for us instead of what it was why it was damaging our system, our food production system from the fish. But yeah, but algae has a lot of uses, and that's mainly why they are very important and taking a lot of conversations right now are in a lot of, because with algae you can basically obtain protein. You can use it to obtain alternative protein, full amino acid compound, and the food that you build with algae is good for you, and it has all the important amino acids that you need, the essential ones. That's really good. Also, you can generate diets through also like aquaculture, like for feedstock. Something really cool about it is when you formulate stuff with algae to give to the cows or to use in the feedstock, this feedstock generate less pollution, like less methane than when feed other kind of food, or when they feed from natural sources, because algae generates less in their stomach, generates less greenhouse gases that are actually gets expelled later for the cow. That's why they are really polluting animals, and that's why the chain of the beef is super or that food chain is really complicated. So that's some of the applications in the food sector. Also, you can extract the molecules from different species of algae and go beyond and formulate special things that are functional. That's what we do. We focus on the cosmetic and food industry, but specifically formulations of high value functional formulations, molecules of algae that substitutes 5 or 6 synthetic molecules in food products with just one thing. That's what we are working on, but that's another application of algae. High value molecules for those kind of markets, including pharmaceutical markets, where they can have a lot of good into the health of the people and recovering diseases and recovering people from diseases and having early recoveries or fast recoveries from other serious problems. They can help you with that. And also they can do a lot of things in the biofuel industry. They have been like these last 4 decades investigated for that purpose, like in the biofuel industry. They are seeing different advantages and disadvantages. Right now it's in the low end. I mean, you cannot, it's not sustainable. It's not, how you say it like that. It's not worth it to use the microalgae oil to do biofuels just yet.
Yeah, not cost effective.
Yeah, it's not cost effective yet for all the processes that you have to do with the living algae, and the different companies are starting to look other places, like for that use of that algae, like a biostimulant or biofertilizer. There's another application of algae that's really good. All that goes into the vegetable and the fruit production, all in the land and agriculture sites. And that's a really good application that has a lot of boom right now. The biostimulants with microalgae extracts, because they are really good. They can help moderate the appearance of different plagues in the plant. They can make it really strong in order to sustain all the environment effects. They help them to maintain water. They give the nutrients. These stimulants give the nutrients to the plant and help them to grow faster and better. So that's why algae is really good to the soil market and the agricultural market, because all those points, if it is good for you to eat, it's good for the land. And that's one way to put it. But we have a lot of applications.